Hello guys and welcome back to this video. Are you trying to learn English but don't know where to start? Don't worry, our English Structure channel helps to improve your speaking skill. Do you feel nervous when speaking? Or do you understand English but can't reply fast? Don't worry. Today, I will show you how to learn English step by step in a simple and easy way. This guide is perfect for beginners, students, job seekers, or anyone who wants to improve their English. Let's begin. Start with basics. To learn English, first, you need to start with the basics. What are the basics? Learn the English alphabet A to Z. Know the sounds of each letter. Learn basic grammar rules. Understand simple sentence structures. For example, I am a boy. She is a teacher. They are friends. Don't worry about being perfect. Just start small and practice daily. Use free apps like Duolingo, Hello English, or YouTube lessons to learn daily words and grammar. Also, keep a small notebook and write 5 new words every day with their meanings and one example sentence. Focus on listening. Now the second step is to improve your listening. Why? Because listening helps you understand how English sounds in real conversations. Here's how to do it. Watch English movies or shows with subtitles. Listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. Follow English YouTube channels or podcasts. Start with slow English videos made for beginners. Tip: watch the same video 2 to 3 times. First with subtitles, then without subtitles. This will improve your understanding, pronunciation, and confidence. Start speaking. This is the most important part. Speak English every day. Even if you make mistakes, just speak. Here are ways to practice speaking. Talk to yourself in English. Example: I am going to the shop. Or today is a good day. Use apps like Cambly, HelloTalk, or SpeakPal to talk to real people. Find a speaking partner or join a WhatsApp group with English learners. Stand in front of a mirror and practice speaking for 5 minutes daily. Start with simple topics. About yourself, your day, your family, your hobbies. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make mistakes. Learn vocabulary. Vocabulary means words. You need more words to speak better. Here's how to learn vocabulary fast. Choose a topic daily. For example, food, travel, school, work. Learn 10 words related to that topic. Use those words in your sentences. Example: topic: food. Words: rice, bread, apple, cook, eat, plate, tasty, sweet, salt, ball. Sentence: I eat rice with a spoon. Or apples are sweet. Use flashcards, apps, or notebooks. Repeat the words again and again to remember them. Practice reading. Reading helps you see how English is used. Start reading children's storybooks, English news websites, short articles, your social media feed in English. Read slowly. Don't stop at every word. Try to understand the meaning from the sentence. Highlight new words, check their meanings, and write them in your notebook. Read aloud to improve your pronunciation and speaking fluency. You can also read English subtitles while watching movies. Write in English. Writing helps you think in English. Here's how to practice writing. Write 5 sentences daily about your day. Example: I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast. I went to school. Write simple stories or messages in English. Write comments on YouTube videos or Instagram in English. Join English writing groups or Facebook pages. You can also use grammar checking tools like Grammarly to find mistakes and correct them. Use English in daily life. Make English part of your life. Use it in your daily routine. Change your phone language to English. Use English while texting or searching online. Read signboards, menus, and packages in English. Think in English when you are walking or alone. Example, instead of saying in your mind, say I am drinking water. The more you use English, the faster you will learn. Be consistent. You don't need to study for hours. Just 30 minutes every day is enough. But be consistent. Make a plan. Monday, learn new words. Tuesday, practice speaking. Wednesday, watch an English video. Thursday, write a short story. Friday, read news. Saturday, speak with a friend. Sunday, revision. Do something every day. Never give up. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Motivation and final words. Remember, every English speaker was once a beginner. Even if you are slow, shy, or afraid, you can do it. The secret is to practice daily, make mistakes, and learn from them. English is not about being perfect. It's about communicating. So start today. Speak one word, then one sentence, and soon you will speak fluently. Don't wait for the perfect day. Make today the first step. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more easy English learning videos. Also, comment below. What is your biggest problem in learning English? See you in the next video.